Okay, thank you, sir. Good morning, everyone. I welcome you all for a brief session to Introduction to Engineering Graphics. Dear students, let me start with introducing myself. I am Professor Pritish Bhale, working as Assistant Professor in TSSM's Bhurabai Sawant College of Engineering and Research, Pune. This will be the session outline. We will be discussing what is engineering graphics, why to study engineering graphics, and instruments used in engineering graphics. Dear students, what is engineering graphics? It is a language of industry to exchange a technical information using paper or software. If you observe this particular slide, you will come to know that I changed the font of one word, that is a language. Dear students, I am sitting here in Pune. I am talking to you. My voice is coming to you in the sense that we are communicating to each other. Why this is possible? Because since our childhood, we learned A to Z letters, 26 letters, because of which we are able to exchange our thoughts or information from one end to other end. Similarly, in the industry, there are some fundamental rules and regulations. Like you can see on your left side, one person is trying to build his idea on the paper. We will share that particular idea to other person directly paper or using softwares, and from other end we will take that paper. The other person will observe the information and they will understand what first person trying to say. If I try to make it easy, students, engineering graphics is a process of converting 3D object into 2D paper drawing. If you see your right up corner, you can observe there is one model. You can see this is 3D model. What is 3D model? There is X, Y, and Z direction. Means it is having its some weight. What we are doing here in engineering graphics, we are simply converting this 3D object into a 2D view. Means we are drawing its front view, top view, and side view. And we are going to exchange this information to other end. So this question might be arise in your mind, sir, why to study this engineering graphics? Dear friends, let me answer with 5 points and let me welcome you into a beautiful and interesting world of engineering graphics. Dear students, graphics or drawing is a very important link between invention and idea. So let me take one example. Sir Jack Vackenson, known as father of drawing. Why he is known as father of engineering drawing? The answer is that you can see on your left screen a model that is a digesting duct or automatic duct which was built in 1738. Dear students, please try to imagine we are talking about 1738. There was not industrial revolution at that time. Since he able to manufacture this particular mechanism you can see on your screen, it is interesting to know that there are more than 400 mechanisms fitted in this particular machine. And how he is able to convert this particular his concept into reality, the answer is so simple, with help of drawing. Dear students, let me ask you one question. Can you please tell me when and who invented the aeroplane? Most of you might be saying, sir, it's Wright brothers. But dear friends, this is not so true. 8 years before that, in our Maharashtra, in our Mumbai, in Juhu Aviation, Sri Srivkar Talpadeji invented and tested first ever aeroplane. Why he is able to convert his idea into reality, or we can say how he is able to convert his idea into reality, the answer is so simple, this particular sketch. Dear friends, what I'm trying to say, drawing or graphics is a very interesting link in between your idea or your dream into reality. Dear friends, let me take one more example. I think on your right screen, you can see the Ludo game is there. Most of you are familiar with it, but we are not that much aware that the history of Ludo is associated with the India itself. In the 6th century, in era of Akbar, this game is invented in India, known as Pachisi, and which was played with so much interest at that time. So creativity is a very, very important link of engineering graphics to convert that your idea into reality. Hidden lines. Dear students, on your screen, you might be seeing a model of engine. Can all of us see all the parts of this particular engine? Let me tell you one interesting fact. There are more than 70 parts fitted in this engine. But right now, from this particular view, we are unable to see it. The answer of our problem is hidden lines. With the hidden lines, we can see, we can understand all the internal parts of the object like piston, cylinder, connecting rod, and so on. Most of us might be having faced this situation. Our vehicle is being stopped in a, let's say, road. So what we do, we go to the garage or mechanic. We simply ask him what happened. He says, sir, your spark plug having problem. Sir, your nut bolt is having problem. He just says, sir, M24 nut bolt. We, if possible, we repair over there, or we goes to other hardware shop and we just demand M24 nut and bolt. Immediately that shopkeeper gives hand over that nut and bolt to us. We came to our garage and we start our vehicle. So what is the point I want to highlight here, my dear friends? The understanding of physical dimension. The garage person not touch your vehicle, he just observed from his point of view and he come to know that particular dimension is M24. And already someone for your side already manufactured this instrument and that is already present in the store. So this is known as standard components. And this understanding of physical dimension, physical components, physical things in terms of dimension, in terms of size, is clear in the branch of engineering graphics. Software analysis. Dear students, present era is known as era of computer and softwares. It is used in all the branches of engineering. It is used to conduct various analysis on the object like structure analysis, fluid analysis, thermal analysis, in order to find the maximum load carrying capacity of that particular object or maximum temperature carrying capacity of that particular object. If you see the example of this buckle, we are trying to find the stress concentration of that buckle where the maximum stress is coming with the help of the color observation. But before any kind of analysis, dear students, we have to draw this particular model in the computer or in the software. And this drawing of this buckle into computer or software is known as modeling of the object. And this modeling of the object is an integral part of engineering graphics. misunderstanding. Dear students, all the virtual things in the world, right from needle to aeroplane, is being manufactured in industry. But before manufacturing in industry, a design engineer make a diagram of it and hand over to the employee or person which is working on actual field or the shop floor. If the person is if the person is not getting that information, then you can see what may happen. Dear students, now let's try to enter into engineering graphics by overview of different instruments used in engineering graphics. These are the various instruments used. The various instruments are drawing board, drawing sheet, holding tools, pencils, T-square, set square, protractor, drafter, roller scale, French curve, sheet container, and compass. Dear students, we will see all the instruments one by one. This is the drawing board, which is made up of wood material, normally a rectangular in a surface. It is used to support drawing sheet and other drawing equipments like drafter. It is having two support from the bottom known as battens, and it is having one edge known as ebony edge, which is used to hold the instrument T-square. The drawing board are available in various sizes like D1, D2, D3, D4 as per IS standard. Normally students for first year engineering, we prefer D2 type of drawing board. Drawing sheet. Drawing sheet is on which we actually draw our object. Drawing sheet is located on the drawing board. The various dimension of drawing sheet as per the IS standard is mentioned in the chart. You can see over here. But normally for first year engineering, we prefer A2 type of drawing sheet. There are some tools required to hold drawing sheet on a drawing board. The various tools are clips, pins, adhesive tapes, but mostly for first year, we give preference to clips. You can see the clips is holding the drawing sheet on the drawing board. Pencil. Pencil is used to draw on the sheet. Depending upon its darkness, there are categories of the pencils. And these categories are based on the types of the lines. The various types of the lines we will discuss in the next session. T-square. T-square is made up of two components, that is stack and blade, joined perpendicular to each other with the help of nut and bolt. Stack will slide left, right, up, down on edge of the drawing board to draw parallel lines on the drawing board. Set square. There are two types of set square, that is 30, 60, 90 degree and 45, 45, 90 degree. It is used to draw inclined lines with the help of T-square on the drawing sheets. Protractor. It is a flat semicircular shape scale. It is having 180 degrees of division. It is used to draw and measure angle on the sheet. Drafter. Friends, drafter is one of the most important component of engineering graphics. या ड्राफ्टर मध्ये जर तुम्ही बघितलं, देर आर टू एंड्स. जो पहिला एंड आहे या एंडला आपण बघतोय, या साईडला हा आपण क्लॅम्प करतोय ऑन अ ड्रॉइंग बोर्ड. या ड्राफ्टरला दोन एंड आहेत. जो अदर एंड आहे विच इज फ्री and on which we are having two instruments or two scales. Out of one is scale which is at 90 degree. You can see over here, and a protractor connected over here. This protractor can be turned to any angle so that this particular drafter can be moved to anywhere on the sheet. Roller scale. It consists of a roller inbuilt in the scale itself. By scaling this, sliding this scale, we can draw vertical or horizontal parallel lines. French curve. This is also very interesting instrument. आपण याच्या आधी ellipse, parabola, hyperbola आपण पाहिलेला आहे. With the help of French curves, we can draw these curves like ellipse, parabola, and hyperbola. Sheet container is a plastic container in which we carry our drawing sheets in order to avoid the damage. Last, compass and eraser. Compass is used to draw circle or arc of particular dimension, and eraser is used to remove the pencil work such a way that it should not spoil the drawing surface. Dear students, what we discussed in this session, we discussed introduction to engineering graphics, significance of engineering graphics, instruments used in engineering graphics. जसं आपण पाहिलं, ग्राफिक्स ही एक लँग्वेज आहे एका टेक्निकल पर्सनची टू कन्वे और एक्सचेंज हिज आयडिया टू अदर एंड. एका देशापासून दुसऱ्या देशात, एका इंडस्ट्रीपासून दुसऱ्या इंडस्ट्री, with or without direct contact or with or without direct paper, we can communicate or we can exchange our thoughts. आपण सध्या जर पूर्ण इंडस्ट्रीचा सिनारिओ बघितला तर मोस्टली जी इंडस्ट्री आहे दे आर टिल्टेड टुवर्ड्स सॉफ्टवेअर. मोस्टली हे ग्राफिक्सचं काम हे आपलं सॉफ्टवेअरवर होतंय, बट पार्शली समवेअर आर्टिफिशियल हँड रिटन फ्री हँड स्केचेस ग्राफिक्स आर ऑल्सो प्रेझेंट. I think I tried to introduce the engineering graphics in easier way. I hope all the doubts are clear. जर कुणाला काही डाउट्स असतील, काही विचारायचं असेल, I suggest you to drop a message on the chat box. Chat box वर तुम्ही मेसेज तुमचा क्वेश्चन ड्रॉप करा. Definitely we will answer you as soon as possible. Thank you so much. Okay, I got one question. Which software are used for graphics? Dear students, there are number of softwares are there. Like let's say first standard, second standard, third standard, fourth standard. There are softwares like AutoCAD at the very basics, Unigraphics, Pro Engineering, Pro-E, CATIA, ANSYS, Hypermesh. There are various softwares are there level by level, but at very beginning, all can start or all can focus on AutoCAD. Dear students, AutoCAD is the part of curriculum of SPPU, that is Savitribai Phule Pune University. आपल्या या फर्स्ट इयर ग्राफिक्स मध्ये आपल्याला याचा एक युनिट आहे AutoCAD. At first year level, we can think of AutoCAD.
Thank you, Professor Bhale, for the wonderful session. I hope many of the students they aware about actually the importance of the engineering graphics.